the stem extract. Ready got the job to do. You got to fulfill that mission. To see his heart will be the greatest ambition. But we will survive in this world of competition. Cause no matter what they do, not to keep on coming through. And no matter what they say, hey, daddy do it every day. Not to great right again. With the mystics of tomorrow, not to great right again. Have no fear, have no sorrow, yeah. All I know you see has one is to fight against the rest of man. And so they build their world in great confusion. Before soon as the devil's illusion. But the stone that the builders refuse shall be the head cornerstone. And no matter what games they play, yeah, we've got something they can never take away. We've got something they can never take away. And it's the fire, it's the that's burning down every welcome. That's a song from Bob Marley. It's called Not a Great Right Again, saying that ready as one job to do is to see that his heart becomes the greatest competition. Yes, and that's what the Luo people should do. What has made you hungry is what you should turn to be your greatest legacy. Today we're going to talk about this which produces this fruit I have collected, the Shea fruit. So, Shea is known in Acholi as Ya, or in Luo as Ya. Then the Kuman people, the assimilated Luo group, they call it Amu. The family, it comes from families Sapotisai, and the botanical name is Vitillaria paradoxa CF Gatton. So that's spelling on the screen you see. Now, this one you're looking at is what is called the Shea tree. And this one is the Shea fruit. And this one here is the seed, which is also the Shea nut. When you crack the outer cover, you get the nut inside. There are basically two edible parts. This one you're looking at, the fruit, the way I've been eating. It has not yet ripe well. The fruit is very sweet. So you direct, and secondly, you eat the oil inside the Shea by through eat press or through threshing with mechanical machine. There are machines which can also drill out the oil. Now, one key thing you need to know is Shea butter or the oil from the Shea nut is one of the world's safest oil. Remember, pork oil is very safe, and then also the Shea. Those are one of the things, one of the most safest oil you can ever eat. And the sunshine, there's no excess. There's no harmful excess. There are two major health benefits of the Shea tree. First of all, the bark here. The bark extract is used for stopping bleeding. It can stop bleeding when you apply on wounded parts. Then secondly, if extra also when you drink it, you can stop diarrhea when you have diarrhea. It's used as timber, and also it is also used for making drums. The African drums, you see people great ding, 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 ding. This is one of the best raw material for making the drum. Then, one other use that is very important in Luo culture is that the remains from the oil extract can be used as traps in setting bait for like rodents and also for birds. That is all about the uses of the Shea. This tree is usually available from April, July, around that time of the year. It is managed traditionally by Luo traditional system of justice and traditional leadership called the Ruot. This is one of the most protected trees in Luo and Acholi land. Unfortunately, the Bantu people have come here and they paid money to the Acholi people who have become poor out of LRA war, and they are selling out this tree. And this is something that we started the initiative, and we have made successful movement towards mitigating the rampant cutting of trees, including the shea tree, which takes a lot of years for it to become mature. So the management is being done locally and traditionally. And also, it is not yet domesticated properly. In 2018, we did scientific research in its genetic modification in a zonal research in Lira, and we have produced quite a number of its varieties which can be domesticated at home. So that one will increase its productivity and also the availability. The current price of shea 1 kg is 5,000, which is roughly 300 and it's roughly 1.2 US dollar. That's 1 kg. But that is from the root. When you go to other places like Kampala and the East African coast, it is far much higher than that price. But when you come here, you enjoy for free. My mother can prepare for you. The mother to my wife, my mother-in-law can also prepare for you. This is what we have here in northern Uganda. As we move back, on the screen what we will be seeing are other benefits of here. Thank you. As you watch other benefits of the here, stay blessed and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It's safe for all skin types. Shea butter is technically a tree nut product, but unlike most tree nut products, it's very low in the proteins that can trigger allergies. In fact, there is no medical literature documenting an allergy to topical shea butter. Shea butter doesn't contain chemical irritants known to dry out skin, and it doesn't clog pores. It's appropriate for nearly any skin type. Number 2, it's moisturizing. Shea butter is typically used for its moisturizing effects. These benefits are tied to shea's fatty acid content, including linoleic, aloic, stearic, and palmitic acids. When you apply shea topically, these oils are rapidly absorbed into your skin. They act as a refatting agent, restoring lipids and rapidly creating moisture. This restores the barrier between your skin and the outside environment, holding moisture in and reducing your skin of dryness. The third one is it won't make your skin oily. Shea butter contains high levels of linoleic acid and aloic acid. These two acids balance each other out.
That means shea butter is easy for your skin to fully absorb and won't make your skin look oily after application. The fourth one, it's anti-inflammatory. The plant esters of shea butter have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, shea triggers cytokines and other inflammatory cells to slow their production. This may help minimize irritation caused by environmental factors such as dry weather, as well as inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema. Number 5, it's antioxidant. Shea butter has significant levels of vitamins A and E, which means it promotes strong antioxidant activity. Antioxidants are important anti-aging agents. They protect your skin cells from free radicals that can lead to premature aging and dull-looking skin. The sixth one is it's antibacterial. A 2012 study suggests that oral doses of shea bark extract can lead to decreased antimicrobial activity in animals. Although more research is needed, this could indicate possible antibacterial benefits in humans. Because of this, some speculate that topical application may decrease the amount of acne or pimples causing bacteria on the skin. Number 7, it's antifungal. Shea tree products have been established as powerful ingredients to fight skin infections caused by fungi. While shea butter may not be able to treat every kind of fungal infection, we know that it kills spores of the fungi that causes ringworm and athlete's foot. In 8th position, it may help prevent acne or the pimples. Shea butter is rich in different kinds of fatty acids. This unique composition helps clear your skin of excess oil or sebum. At the same time, shea butter restores moisture to your skin and locks it into your epidermis so your skin doesn't dry out or feel stripped of oil. The result is a restoration of the natural balance of oils in your skin, which may help stop acne before it starts. The 9th benefit is it helps boost collagen production. Shea butter contains triterpenes. These naturally occurring chemical compounds are thought to deactivate collagen fiber destruction. This may minimize the appearance of fine lines and result in plumper skin. The 10th one, it helps promote cell regeneration. Shea's moisturizing and antioxidant properties work together to help your skin generate healthy new cells. Your body is constantly making new cells and skin cells and getting rid of dead skin cells. You actually get rid of anywhere between 30,000 to 40,000 old skin cells each day. Dead skin cells sit on top new skin cells from all the bottom of the upper layer of skin or epidermis. With the right moisture balance on the surface of your skin, you will have fewer dead skin cells in the way of fresh cell regeneration in the epidermis. Number 11, it may help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scarring. It's thought that shea butter stops keloid fibroblast, scar tissue, from reproducing, which encouraging healthy cell growth to take place. This may help your skin heal, minimizing the appearance of stretch marks and scarring. Number 12, it may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By boosting collagen production and promoting new cell regeneration, shea butter may help reduce what researchers call photoaging, the wrinkles and fine lines that environmental stress and aging can create on skins. Number 13, it offers added sun protection. Shea butter can't be used by itself as an effective sunscreen, but using shea butter on your skin does give you some added sun protection. So layer it over your favorite sunscreen and days you will be spending outside. Shea butter contains an estimated SPF of 3 to 4. Number 14, it may help prevent air breakage. Shea butter hasn't been studied specifically for its ability to make air stronger, but one 2017 study found that a chemically similar West African plant made air significantly more resistant to breakage. And number 15, it may help treat dandruff. One way to treat dandruff or atopic dermatitis is to restore moisture to your dry and irritated scalp. One 2018 review found that shea butter, when used in combination with other moisturizers, could help decrease dandruff flakes and reduce risk of flare-ups. More research is needed to determine how effective shea is one use alone. Number 16, it may help soothe conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Shea's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe skin and relieve itching. This may prove especially helpful for inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Shears also absorbs rapidly, which could mean quick relief for flare-ups. Research even suggests that shea butter could work just as well as medicated creams in treating eczema. In number 17, in the benefit we have, it may help soothe sunburn and other skin burns. Research suggests that oils may be beneficial for superficial or first-degree skin burns such as sunburn. Shea's anti-inflammatory components may reduce redness and swelling. Its fatty acid components may also soothe the skin by retaining moisture during the healing process. Although researchers in this study established that the use of shea butter, aloe vera, and other natural products is common, more research is needed to assess their efficacy. In number 18, it may help soothe insect bites. Shea butter has been traditionally used to soothe bee stings and insect bites. Anecdotal evidence suggests that shea butter may help bring down swelling that bites and stings can cause. That said, there isn't any clinical research to support this. If you are experiencing severe pain and swelling from stings or bites, consider seeing a health professional and stick to proven treatments. Number 19, it can help promote wound healing. In addition to reducing underlying inflammation, shea is also linked to the tissue remodeling that's crucial for treating wounds. I talked about this previously, where if you extract the bark, its protective fatty acids may also help shield wounds from environmental irritants during the healing process. In number 20, it may help relieve arthritis pain. Arthritis is caused by underlying inflammation in the joints. In 2016, an animal study on shea oil concentrate suggests that it can help reduce inflammation while also protecting joints from further damage. Although this study focused on knee joints, these potential benefits could extend to other areas of the body. The second last, which is number 21, it may help soothe muscle soreness. Muscles that have been overextended can be affected by inflammation and stiffness as your body repairs muscle tissue. Shea butter may help shore muscles in the same way it may help joint pain by reducing inflammation. And before I tell you the last one, which is number 20, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you support it and you get the similar contents and other entertaining contents. In number 20, it may help relieve congestion. A 1979 study suggests that shea butter may help alleviate nasal congestion. When used in nasal drops, shea butter may reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. It could also help reduce mucosal damage, which often leads to nasal congestion. These effects could be beneficial when dealing with allergies, sinusitis, or the common cold. You've been with me, as usual, Mark Brian. Thanks and bye-bye.
I'm so Ugandan, everywhere I go. I'm so Ugandan, everywhere